Customization allows developers to personalize the interface and feature according to their customers' preference. This leads to a more user-friendly experience. It gives business a competitive edge by allowing them to innovate and differentiate their process, like customization.
To create, click on File and select New Project. Give it a suitable name and choose the project location. Then click on Add New Files and provide the file name and click on Save. Once after writing the code, let's save the TDL file by pressing Ctrl+S. As there are no errors, TallyPrime is open. Now the code output is shown in TallyPrime.